Alright guys, good morning. Two quick updates and what we got going on here. One, I went ahead and I didn't like the blue distributor cap, so I went ahead and ordered a Motorcraft. This is the HO in Mexico. I don't know, hopefully this is not a counterfeit off Amazon, but so ordered that new Motorcraft distributor cap. So I got that on there. And then one other thing, as you guys know, the last couple times at the track, we were coming up on the two-step and rolling forward a little bit. So I rewired my line lock to be active on the button here. So when we launch, boom, we can come up, we can stage it. Come up on the two-step, lock, have a little front brake pressure, and then as soon as we dump the clutch, we can launch it. So, and then let's test our new battery. So that's everything I wanted to do before our next session, which today it's Wednesday morning, and this is the last night they have scheduled for the streetcar night, but I'm not sure. This weather it's supposed to rain today, or at least a good chance of rain. So there is the very last event is Saturday, and it'll be fun runs all day. From 11 to 4, so I am planning on that for sure. If everything clears up this afternoon, I'll come home, maybe load up and go to the track tonight, and then plan on Saturday also. But if it rains Saturday, they are going to reschedule. Sunday is their backup day for the very last event at Sacramento Raceway. So we'll either go Saturday or Sunday for sure, and then we'll go from there. But looks like the car is ready to go. I got the new distributor cap. Not that it needed it, but I think it looks better with the Ford gray cap. And we got our two-step, not a two-step, excuse me. We have our line lock wired onto the switch, so we won't roll forward and trip the beams. So that is my update for today. Get ready for the track, and we'll update you when we get in the staging lanes. Alright guys, hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.